Hey folks, Tom DiGregorio, founder of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. Today I want to talk about foundation wall cracks and when you should be concerned about them. Now typically we have two types of foundation wall construction. We have block wall construction and poured wall construction. Let's start with block wall construction first. Now when it comes to block walls, almost any crack could be a potential problem. So if you see a horizontal crack, or a vertical crack, or diagonal cracks, or stair-step cracking, those are all signs or symptoms of what could be either a settlement issue or a bending wall failure, something you definitely want to get looked at sooner than later. Now, when it comes to a poured wall, understand that there are a lot of normal cracks in poured walls. It could be little shrinkage cracks or little hairline cracks that might be susceptible to water intrusion, but typically not a structural issue. But if you're noticing cracks that are much wider that you could stick a nickel or a quarter into, or God forbid one of your little fingers in, or if you see diagonal cracks or vertical or horizontal cracks, or the cracks are so severe that you see one side of the crack is sticking out a little bit further than another, what we call in shear, then that is definitely something you want looked at. So if you notice any of these cracks in your foundation walls, be proactive, give us a call. We'll be happy to come out and do a completely free inspection of your foundation and give you peace of mind.